Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we will learn how to use WPForm plugins to add forms to your WordPress websites. Also in this video I have a giveaway for you guys, so make sure you watch the complete video to know the details of the giveaway. So let's start by installing the plugin. So first go to the plugins and click on add new. Now search WPForms. And just hit install now. It may take some time, so please have patience. So now just click on the activate button. And you will be redirected to the welcome page of WPForms. So here we can create our first form, and these are some of the features and add-ons of WPForms. So now let's just create our first form. So first name the form. So we can select a blank form or we can select a template. So let's just select a contact form template. So as we can see, the template has all the basic fields for a contact us form, and we can also add other fields too. So let's just embed it into our page. So we can select existing page, or we can also create a new page for the form. So let's create a new one. Its name is contact us. Now it will automatically embed the form into the page. Let's check the preview. So as we can see that it has embedded the form. So this was just a basic, simple and a fast setup for a contact form. Now let's dive into some more options that we have. Go to forms and click on edit. Here we get all the standard fields in WPForms Lite version. We get more fields in WPForms Pro version, such as upload file and payment fields. So in this video I will be giving away 3 WPForms Pro license. So in order to participate in the giveaway, just like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which feature you will use the most on your website. Also mention your website's name and your email ID so that we can contact you if you win the giveaway. The results would be announced on 5th May 2021. Now let's check out the settings of the form. So in general settings, we can change the name of the form. We can also change the submit button text and also the submit button processing text. From the notification tab, we can add email addresses to whom a mail would be sent every time a form has been filled. We can add multiple email addresses here. Next is the confirmation tab, where we can add the confirmation text. The next setting is a conversation form. So let's enable it and hit on preview. So as we can see, the form has totally changed and is more appealing now. The conversation form adds a new dimension to the form in just few clicks. Now let's check the marketing tab. So here you can integrate all these services with WP Forms, and in the payment tabs you can integrate all these services. Now let's check this option of service and polls. So for that we need to create a new form, enter a name, and let's select the template as a poll form. So as we can see, already a poll is created. Now let's just copy it and let's change it to what is your favorite fruit. Let's add the options. Now let's go to the settings and just enable the surveys and polls checkbox. Save it and let's just embed it into a page. Let's create a new page. So let's try it. So as we can see, we have got the results below. And also the total votes. We can create multiple forms using WP Forms. WP Forms makes the process very simple and easy. Now let's see how we can activate the license on WordPress. So this is the WP Forms website. For license activation, go to my account, copy the key, go back to WordPress, WP Forms settings, and paste it here. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section and make sure you participate in the giveaway. Thank you.